Hi guys, if you have electronic locks like this Schleg, or if you have the one with no key, and you having a problem getting in, if you have a key, let me talk about the key. You could go in and replace the battery in there, 9-volt battery. Okay, you always have to have 9-volt battery, and some of them use AA, AAA, whatever, right? So you should always have those battery sitting somewhere in your car, and then also in your house. And then if you show up and you go in, you take this out, you have to program this like, and I'm gonna also talk about the other Schleg with the battery. Okay, this time I'm gonna talk about this. So also, if you have this with the key, get inside, replace your battery, and then punch the code. If that doesn't let you in, now you're gonna have to program it. And to program it, you have here the programming code, and you have, they tell you 4 codes. You have to pick 4 codes. You gotta punch in the programming code quick. You can't slow down. Okay, this says 4846280. So we're gonna punch in 46280. There's light flickering. Schleg, push that. Number 1, push 1. Now we put the code. Let's say we put 7254 there. 7254 there. When it's programmed, the light turn off, and it's green light now. When if you successfully remember the code and you did it right, you say 7254 there. Okay, that's how you program this. Now if you do have one with no lock and you have the 9-volt battery, it is very important to have a magnetic plugs. You could go to a store and get those HVAC. They have HVAC jumper cable with the magnetic, and you could put that like around your door somewhere, because it's always going to be very hard for you. Okay, so all you could get is you could rip off the smoke detector where the 9-volt battery is, like wire like that here, and you could just leave this here with you and somewhere around the door, or even your wallet. You take it out, you tape the wires, and wait until you charge the whatever battery that's here, the 9-volt batteries. Okay, I don't know why Schleg doesn't just use this. It's very hard. If you let go and you start putting the code, it won't let you in. I had that problem. So you wanted to tape this. If you don't have any other options, just tape this across like with the tape, duct tape, and wait there until this light on the Schleg start telling you bing bing. It would give you a green light. That means you're ready to punch in. So you can punch your code and you get in. And if you wanted to program that, this is not a wireless Wi-Fi. You have to download Engage. Okay, if you go to Schleg locks, you see Engage, you could download that. It depends. You could download that, and then from there it will show you how much battery you have, the signals, and also reboot or update. Okay, you could update that too. Here you don't have to update. So that one right there, you have to go in there. But by the, once you get in here with the other one with no lock, make sure you take it off your door and replace the batteries. Okay, follow the battery direction. Do not be like negative, positive, negative. Don't do that. Okay, you're gonna ruin your lock. So pay attention. You should know how the batteries go. Okay, and once you do that, you put it in the back. Once you have the program in the Schleg, in the back there's the turn, right? The turn, you gotta play with it. 1 2 1 2, and you leave it like that. It will say beep beep beep. That means you could go ahead and program it. So you could program your fob, or program whatever other things you're programming from the app. Once the app is connected with it, you will know, you see it, it beeps. You go to the Wi-Fi, you link up with the Wi-Fi with this, you give it a Wi-Fi. Then from your Schleg, it will tell you like the both this and other Wi-Fi is the same. Then you could just see reboot or whatever other things you need to do. I hope this helps you. Thank you. If you have any questions with this, here I just program this. You saw me program it. Take a picture of this, put it away somewhere, write it down, the serial number, everything, because you need that. And make sure you replace your battery. I would say if it is high traffic, you should replace it every year. Thank you. God bless you. And I want to do one more time before I leave. So I get in with the key, I take this out, I replace the battery here, the 9-volt battery, close it back up. I come here, I know the code, programming code is 462880. So I'll put in, if for example, if you put on slow like this, ain't gonna work. You gotta be very quick. Like I said, 462880. See? Then push ledge, and then push 1, then your 4-digit number, 28 29 28 29 twice. Then it's programmed. Then we're gonna run the program, the code here again, 28 29. Yep. If it doesn't work, it won't let you open. That's it. This is how you program it. If you have any other question, let me know. Thank you very much. Bless you. Bye.